Okay, there are 4 elements that completes security design. The first one is graphic security design. The second one is security ink. The third one is material, the product that been used for the label, and then the integrated tracking system. This is the biggest challenge as from now, as the rapid technology change. Instead of a normal design, we offer security design which consists of hidden features. Hidden features to protect it from counterfeiters, to make it harder for counterfeiters to copy the design. That is the core. So the designer itself, the designer is actually using security software, high-end security software to produce the design. So we need to integrate this hard copy with the technology, digital technology, for traceability. The market nowadays requires that traceability of the label. Let's say, for example, a label printed and pasted on the product, we can scan the product and trace where did this product comes from, the details of the product. The label might be misused if it pasted on the other product. So that is the way we control that as well through the system traceability. Our label is crucial in sense of to make sure every product that in the market is safe for usage and been through proper testing. The QR is a medium for traceability. It could be NFC and it could be through RFID as well. For industry, semiconductor industry, the usage of the label is very huge. So it will impact the industry if we propose to use NFC or RFID. Of course, there will be a price increase for industry and it won't be good. So instead of NFC or RFID, we are using the less cost one for the traceability. But we seek for improvement so that it won't left behind with this NFC and RFID. We still keep improving to put it, instead of only traceability, we make it anti-copy for the traceability, which means even the QR or the anti-copy pattern couldn't be copied by counterfeiters. Tamper evidence actually means once you paste it on the product, it cannot be it can be removed, but it will leave the evidence. One-time use for the label before it being transferred to, it cannot be transferred to another part of product. There are 2 types. It depends on the product. We'll propose STAS, security tamper evidence sticker. And the other one is a void type, which is not too sensitive, not really scratchable. The first one with the high-end one is sensitive and quite scratchable. The features for the material customized with the few features, only SIRIM own that features. And then the void thing is for rough use, that with the scratchable surface and so on. We do have a weathering test and so on to make sure that this label suits with whatever we propose. It depends on client's requirement. Sometimes they need this type of label. They will ask, do you do this weathering test and so on? How do you convince us in sense of whether this label is quality enough, compliance enough for the usage of our product and so on. So we need to come out with the report of weathering test. For them, these are the things that prove that we've been through for this quality checking of the label. The integration of Internet of Things technology into secure label is becoming increasingly popular. These smart labels sometimes can communicate with other devices and so on, allowing real-time tracking, monitoring, authenticity. That is our biggest emerging trend that we need to cope with.